Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about snapping and also about locking. The snapping is like attaching two elements like together, and it works like magnet. For example, if I have these two element like this square, round square, or let's say this circle. So let me change the color of it like a red one. So if I move my element on the screen, as you can see, we get these guides like this purple line on the screen. So if I move this, you can see it is guiding me like where is the center, where is the right corner or left corner, and also it is showing me the some safe margin over here. As you can see, this is the safe margin. And if I move this like this, and it snaps like this. And if I move my element at the corner like this, left corner, it snaps. If you want to go above this corner, you can go, but it shows like some how snapping works in Canva. So the element is relationship with the page, so that's why we are getting these snaps. And let's say we want to show the relationship in between the two of snapping. If I move my circle towards the like this round square, and at exactly at point it will snap. As you can see, it snaps like the magnet. So that's how you can snap your elements. Let's say you want to like lock this element like exactly at this position. Let's say you have text, some images, logos, and also some images again like this one, and the project becomes really like really hectic. So in that case you want to like lock that element exactly at this position. So because if you move this and by accident you move your element like this, then the position of that element is messed up. So in that case, what you can do is that you can select this element and just click on the lock button that is present over here. So as you can see, we get this lock icon over here also. If you select and move, you can see all the element is moving, not the locked element. So that's really beneficial for our project or design, because we don't want to mess up our design. So that's how you can use snapping and locking in your projects. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.